Hi, welcome to another episode of Dr. Cammy Goes Keto, where I'm transitioning from a standard American diet to a ketogenic diet, low carb diet, mostly carnivore diet and lifestyle. And I'm just here to make a short little video about not giving up, about keep trying no matter what. And so I am day 34 today of no sugar, no flour, and no caffeine. And for me, it turns out that I needed to get really, really strict and really restrict myself for right now in order to get myself really, really clean. I was able to do like no sugar and no flour for quite a while. I was kind of white knuckling it. I think the longest I ever went was 47 days. When I started my tirzepatide, which I am on now, a GLP-1 to help me with my binge eating, and it seems to be doing that. And my whole attitude now is changing. It's different. It feels different now. And so I'm really grateful about that. I think that the Zepbound is helping me to not have so much of an appetite. Well, I know it's doing that. And it is helping me to have less food craving thoughts in my head, less negative thoughts. And so this has been like 36 or 37 days with no binging, and I feel really good. I feel really strong. I feel like I'm slipping into a new normal for me, which is really, really pleasing to me. So I just want to say for those of you that are out there that are listening that are struggling with sugar and feeling like you just can't get off of it ever, you have to stick with it. You have to keep trying and keep trying and maybe just minimize it. Maybe you just cut down your sugar intake every other day and then you take it from there. I mean, I've had a history of binge eating disorder and I have been in not too, in the recent past, within the last couple of years, maybe not the last couple of years, because I've been working on this for a couple of years, but definitely within the last 3 years, finding myself on the couch so stuffed with all kinds of ultra processed foods that I could not really even move or get off the couch to get to my bed or to get to the bathroom. I had to sit there just passed out for, I don't know, 8 hours or something till I could get up and go pee or crawl to my bed. I remember being in my car driving after binging on sugar in the parking lot of Walmart and barely making it home just because I was so spaced out on all the sugar high, and then you start coming down from the high, and I would always have to be, like, in my bed or be somewhere where I could just pass out for a while, and so that wasn't too long ago. It's taken me a couple of years to get this far, and so it's been, progress, regression, it's kinda like, you know how it goes, 2 steps forward and 1 step back and 3 steps forward and 1 step back and 3 steps forward and 4 steps back. It's just been like that with the whole journey. But I feel like I'm getting to some progress now, to a little bit of progress, to a little bit of progress, to a little bit of progress. So, and it's progress, not perfection, right? I mean, none of us are going to be perfect at this thing. So you just got to keep trying. I just wanted to do a video to just tell you, hang in there. Just keep trying because it will get better and better and better. And then you'll get to a point where you don't have to be with the sugar. And so I'm feeling really strong about that. And yes, I did have to go on a GLP-1 to help me with that. My plan is to go for 6 months, without a big binge on the Zepbound and get a little bit more weight off, get some weight off of me because I really have the goal of losing 100 pounds and to then slowly wean myself off of it. I'd like to be off of it as quick as I could just because we don't know the long-term effects of these GLP-1s. But for now, it's really, really helping me a lot. So one of the other things I wanted to point out is please be patient. Be patient with yourself. Don't throw in the towel. Don't say, I'll start next Monday. I'll start again tomorrow and, go binge that night. You can restart your plan anytime, with a little prayer, with asking God for help, with calling a friend, and saying, I'm starting my plan over right now. It doesn't have to be at the end of the day. It doesn't have to be next Monday. You can start over anytime. And so another thing that I wanted to say was when you make small progress, You need to take big credit for it, okay? Big credit for even small little progress. Even if it's eating, 5 cookies instead of 10, you get to take some credit for that you didn't eat the whole bag, because I would be so good at beating myself up and saying, "Oh gosh, I ate cookies. I might as well eat the whole bag." But no, if you eat 5 cookies, maybe you can go throw the rest in the dumpster, which is what I would often do. Or you can put them down the garbage disposal so that you don't eat any more of them. Or you can throw them in the trash in your own house, which I've been known to dig out of the trash and go eat them. So, yeah, so just be sure that when you have little progress, you give yourself big credit for that. So, yeah, my last weigh-in, I lost 5 pounds in 3 weeks. I'm looking forward to my next weigh-in, which is gonna be in about 9 days. Doing really well, 1 day at a time is also a big thing. It's really helped me a lot to just remember that all I have to do is pay attention to what's going on today. So, really, really grateful. Really happy to be here with you, sharing my journey. Keep coming back, subscribe, comment, and I look forward to talking to you on my next visit. Just no matter what, don't give up. Keep trying. All right, take care, everybody. Bye bye.